Hey y'all, it's me again, your girl T, coming back at you with another video. Yes, please like, subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. And I'd like to give a big shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Please continue to watch and view my videos. Yes, today will be a transformation. Yes, I'm doing a man hair transformation. These are the before and after pictures. Tell me what you think. I am loving this. Men are stepping up their game and getting some hair on their head. Yes. So I will be doing a man transformation and we will be getting started very shortly. Let's get to it.
She gon' let me